Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm playing some more. I'm playing some more Roblox. No, I'm watching some of the YouTube videos, and yeah, let's do some funny, funny shorts.
Okay, come on.
What is going on? What is he doing? Oh my god.
Let's do it!
Jesus. Now, what was that for? And what is this guy doing? I don't think the dog is wanting to swim if he looks like that, but okay. Adios, flamingos. Why is Sonic in the background? Why is Sonic in the background?
Nope.
Oh
Nope.
my god. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there and I'll see y'all. Okay, it's not end yet. Let's watch more. This is the last one. Oh my god, she's so fat, man. I would never want a cat just like that. Aww. Should not hit him. He's so tiny. Now, how tiny was he, man? Oh my god, I don't know what this cat is doing. She's watching Simba! I like Simba. And I also have Simba. He looks like Simba. We named him Simba too. What is she trying to do? She's not 1 year old. She's like 1,000. How did that scare? Oh, come on.
You gotta lay down.
I already tried that. That looks like my cat Mika, actually. Oh, that cat looks like Mika. That's the exact same cat. She had the butt and black, and yeah, I know it's the same. I mean the tail she had at the end was black, and I have also have that. What the fuck? I mean, what the fuck? No, she's not gonna like that. You know what? I'm just gonna pause it for a quick second, so I'm just gonna put it off you because this is really loud. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's a cat in there. They're not in they're not in English, but okay. What is this cat thinking? I mean, I think this cat is trying to play. What the fuck is that thing? Is that a toy? I'm freaking scared it's gonna jump. Oh my god, oh my god. I also jumped. Let's try to look at this again. Oh my god, I freaking jumped. Why would I jump? Am I still recording? Okay, I am. Yeah, poop and lay on the poop. That's all what you need to do. Cats are weird. I mean, they're completely normal. Yeah, they're completely normal. Aww, you're so cute. His name is King. Oh wait. King Crane. I don't know. I would also die. Also die. Also. Ew! I never liked dogs. I actually had a lost dog outside my front yard, you know? Oh my god, it's just so cute. And I also saw that the same dog in my school. I have no idea why. I'm second grade, by the way. What the fuck? That's not nice. What is that? What is that? That is a rabbit. Don't do that to the rabbit. It's not out my window. What the fuck? Me. Is it still recording? Yeah, just the Windows XP. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there, and I'll see all of y'all in the next video.